Assalamualaikum. Well, today, guys, and my daddy ordered some food. So today, my daddy ordered some garlic bread. I'm gonna show you guys. This is garlic bread. This is the delicious garlic bread. I will show you the next one, guys. This one is the big one. It's with chicken inside it. Delicious chicken. And yummy, my tummy. Delicious, really gonna be delicious chicken. Here's the chicken and big fried chicken sauce for the grown-ups to eat. With a big fried and bell. Hi guys, see you in my next video. I love it. I'm gonna eat my delicious food. I love it. See you.